Dumelang. Sanbonani molweni mamota lovers. Hello QMT lovers. Welcome back to our channel. You know what time it is. It's about to go down with yet another epic video of upholstery projects. Today we have a couch that needs to be revamped and refurbished. Let's get into it. Now, as you can see that the couch has already been stripped apart, we'll be showing you the entire process of recovering it and putting it back to shape, and also enhancing its comfort. Also pay attention to some parts that will be stitched. Not the entire couch will be stitched, but do pay attention as there will be some stitching. I hope you're gonna like it. I hope you're gonna enjoy it.
시간 낭비 같아 don't What's the point baby? Let it go baby. I know you call me only when you're feeling lonely. 생각하지 마. 보고 싶어도 손을 넘지 마. 이젠 우리 따윈 없으니까. 다른 여자 품에 있고 날 기억하지 마. Don't think of me anymore. Already said 100,000,000 times to you before. Said it before, yeah. I'm doing alright without you, baby. 너 없이 떨어질 살아, okay. Took your number off my phone. I'm doing better on my own. 생각조차 안 나 좋았던 너.